Hey everybody, Ricky Timms here, and Hugo and I are on the road to Paducah. We stopped in Nashville to visit family and picked up some plants. Of course, now we have to take care of those till we get home. I am getting ready to do a really cool online project. This is going to be done through the Quilt Show on Facebook Live. Okay, so it's free to everybody. The name of the quilt is called Portal, and I came up with this idea because I wanted to futz around with jelly rolls. Now, I didn't make mine with jelly rolls, and you don't have to either, but the Quilt Show has two different kits that are jelly rolls, and you will be able to make your quilt with those. Now, my fabrics are my hand-dyed fabrics. We have tried to pick fabrics that are wonderful and close and just as beautiful for your kits. And the fun thing is, while this is what my quilt looks like, this process is going to allow you to shake it up, and I'm looking forward to seeing just how many different kind of quilts can be made from this one little shape that I'm calling ladyfinger. So it's just one little shape, and I hope that you'll be joining me in May for this project. So get your kits at thequiltshow.com, and I look forward to doing this with you.